Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Could you please tell us your name and where you're from?
My name is Rosa Nyandakolo. I'm from Roland Island, across Creek Road, Port Harcourt.
Okay. Could you please tell us your health challenge before you visited BS company? To use the mini health machine that treats different health challenge without drugs.
Yes, before I came, that machine was used on me. I had waist problem. I cannot bend well. I also had neck stiffness. I cannot turn my neck well. So all these things after the machine was used on me has improved greatly. So I can even bend down with my palm on the ground.
So, were there things you're unable to do now that you can do after the use of the mini health machine?
Yes.
Okay. Could you please show us?
For example, I cannot bend this low,
Okay.
but now I can go very low, even my palms touching the ground.
Okay. So, how many days did you use the machine before you noticed these changes?
3 days.
3 days.
Yes.
What about your neck?
My neck can swivel right and left, forward and backward very well now.
Okay. Were you doing it before now?
I was doing it, but not as it is free now, after the machine was used.
Alright, so you said how many days did you use the machine? Sorry.
3 days.
Just 3 days you used the
3
machine.
days, yes.
Wow. So from your experience with the mini health machine, what is the advice to the public?
I'll advise the public. The advertisement they are hearing on radio about BS company, they should quickly come there. Come there and receive treatment and be well again without drugs.
Right. Thank you, sir. We are BS company. We appreciate your experience with us.